Hello and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng ubi cheese palitaw balls. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, paghahaluin natin yung glutinous rice flour at yung ating rice flour. Ilalagay na rin natin yung half a cup ng sugar and mix it well. Maglagay lang tayo ng well sa gitna at i-add na natin yung 1 cup ng water. Sama na rin natin yung 1 tablespoon ng ube extract. Kung wala kayong ube extract, pwede ding half a cup ng ube halaya. And mix it well using the spatula. Hanggang sa mag-form ito ng galapong. Mas madali kung i-mix nyo ito by hand. Ayan, na-form na yung ating dough o yung ating galapong. Pagka medyo sticky, mag-add lang kayo ng konti pang glutinous rice. Then, mag-scoop lang kayo ng about 1 tablespoon ng galapong. Ibilugin nyo lang at ilagay nyo muna sa isang plate and set aside. Continue lang hanggang matapos nyo yung pagbibilog. Kung ipang-business nyo to, pwede kayong gumamit ng measuring spoon, 1 tablespoon para pantay-pantay ang laki. Yan, continue pa natin yung pagbilog. Yan, nakagawa ako ng 20 balls. Yan. I-flatten nyo lang using your fingers. And then, ilalagay natin yung 1 cube ng cheese sa gitna at i-seal nyo. Then, i-roll nyo lang in between your palms para mag-smoothen. And then, i-set aside natin ulit. And gawin naman natin yung cream cheese filling. Same procedure, i-flatten nyo lang between your fingers. At mag-scoop lang kayo ng about a teaspoon of cream cheese. Kailangan yung cream cheese nyo malamig para firm up. And seal it. Again, roll it in between your palms para mag-smoothen. Then, iset aside lang natin to and continue natin yung rest ng ating bowls. Ayan, natapos na natin, mag-proceed na tayo sa ating next step. Ayan, magpakulo lang tayo ng tubig and then i-add na natin yung bowls. Kailangan yung balls nakalubog siya sa tubig. So, I added more water. And then, i-move nyo lang kasi medyo mag-i-stick siya sa ilalim. Lulutuin lang natin to for 5 to 7 minutes. Unlike nung regular palitaw, itong balls hindi siya lulutang kasi mabigat yung cheese. Lulutang lang siya ng konti. Pagka ganitong luto na, pwede na natin hanguin. I-set aside lang natin at continue natin yung rest ng ating palitaw balls. Next, pagsamahin natin yung sugar at yung ating toasted sesame seed. Haluin lang natin to and we'll set this aside. Pang toppings natin ito mamaya. Itong ating nalutong balls, i-roll natin dito sa grated coconut. Make sure na well covered ang ating balls. Then, iset aside lang natin, transfer natin sa isang plate. Continue lang natin hanggang matapos natin lahat. And there you have it, our ubi cheese palitaw balls served with sugar and toasted sesame seed. It's soft and chewy. And yung melt yung cheese inside. Sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.